Bonifacio Global City, BGC, Taguig City. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel where we explore the best of the Philippines. Today, I'm sharing some totally new finds in Bonifacio Global City. These spots will surprise you. Let's dive in. First up, BGC Street's art has exploded here. Artists painted fresh murals on walls along 5th Avenue. One shows giant flowers mixed with city lights. It's bright and fun. Grab your camera and snap pics. These pieces change with seasons, so visit soon. Locals say it makes walks more lively. Food lovers, listen. Open weekends only. In BGC, try the pop-up night market near High Street. Vendors offer bubble tea and Halo Halo. Smells amazing after sunset. Getting around? New bike paths connect Makati to BGC. They started in early 2025. Rent a bike at stations along EDSA. Paths wind through green spaces. Safer than cars. I rode it last week. Smooth ride with ocean views. For views, head to rooftops you might miss. BGC's new spot is atop a co-working space. Free entry on Tuesdays. Stars shine bright up there. Tech fans, BGC has hubs for creators. A space called Innovate Lab just launched. Free classes on apps and design. Open to all ages. Finally, events in 2025. Discovering the hidden gems of BGC. Bonifacio Global City, BGC, is one of Metro Manila's vibrant business districts. While many are familiar with their towering skyscrapers, bustling malls, and lively nightlife, these areas also hide a trove of unique experiences waiting to be uncovered. Let's dive into some fascinating aspects of BGC that may be new to you. The cultural landscape. Art in unexpected places. One of the most intriguing features of BGC is their commitment to public art. In recent years, BGC have transformed into open-air galleries, showcasing impressive installations that often go unnoticed. For example, BGC has embraced street art.
Vibrant murals on building walls that celebrate Filipino culture and contemporary themes. Wandering through its streets, you might stumble upon thought-provoking pieces by local artists. Green spaces amidst the urban jungle. Amidst the concrete jungle, BGC have made significant strides in integrating green spaces into their landscapes. The Fort Bonifacio area is home to several parks, such as Track 30th and Terra 28th, which offer a breath of fresh air for city dwellers. You can enjoy outdoor fitness activities, picnic spots, and even dog parks, all designed to promote a healthier lifestyle. Culinary adventures off the beaten path. BGC boasts numerous high-end restaurants and trendy cafes. There's a wealth of lesser-known culinary spots that offer unique flavors and experiences. In BGC, food enthusiasts can venture into hole-in-the-wall establishments tucked away in side streets, offering everything from tantalizing street food to gourmet treats. These hidden culinary delights add depth to the city's gastronomic landscape and promise a delightful culinary adventure. A hub for innovation and sustainability. BGC is not just business hubs. They are also leading the way in sustainability and innovation. BGC has recently launched various initiatives aimed at reducing carbon footprints and promoting eco-friendly practices among businesses and residents. With buildings designed for energy efficiency and waste management systems in place, BGC is setting a benchmark for modern urban living. Eco-friendly Pioneer House BGC. One of the notable projects in BGC is the Pioneer House, which is set to be completed in December 2025. This building emphasizes sustainability, aiming for both leadership in energy and environmental design, LEED, and WELL certifications. These certifications highlight the building's commitment to eco-friendly practices and the health of its occupants. The project began construction in 2019 and has recently reached significant milestones.
BGC offer more than just the conventional tourist experience. With their rich tapestry of art, green spaces, unique culinary offerings, and forward-thinking initiatives, these bustling districts invite exploration beyond the usual attractions. The next time you find yourself in this dynamic part of Metro Manila, take a moment to discover the hidden gems that truly embody the spirit of the city. Whether you're an art lover, a foodie, or someone seeking a respite from city life, BGC have something new and exciting waiting for you. Do you think you know all there is about Bonifacio Global City, BGC? Think again. In this exciting exploration, we unveil little-known facts and hidden experiences that make these buzzing urban hubs truly special. From underground art scenes to innovative immersive attractions, prepare to redefine your view of this vibrant metropolitan area. Whether you're a local or a tourist, there's always something new to discover. BGC appeals to those seeking a modern, highly planned, and aesthetically consistent first-world environment with wide, clean sidewalks and a concentrated, curated lifestyle. Major infrastructure hubs. BGC's connectivity is set to improve with two significant transport projects. The Metro Manila subway project will include a BGC station, which is expected to significantly reduce travel time across the metro. The Taguig City Integrated Terminal Exchange, TCITX, a major transport hub similar to the PITX, broke ground in February 2025 in nearby Arca South. Expected to be operational by early 2028, it will connect provincial and city buses to other rail systems. Ongoing commercial development. The area continues to see rapid commercial and residential growth, with projects like the Bonifacio Capital District by Robinson's Land Corporation and the transformation of the Fort Strip, which involves demolitions to make way for new luxury developments under the Fort Superblock.
Bonifacio Global City, BGC, on the other hand, is recognized in 2026 as a rapidly growing, modern business district with eco-friendly and state-of-the-art infrastructure. BGC is known for its well-planned layout, lack of flooding issues thanks to advanced drainage systems, and appeal to younger businesses and international companies. It remains a vibrant, cosmopolitan area with more developments ongoing, larger open spaces, and conveniences like underground cabling. From vibrant street art to exclusive dining experiences and eco-parks that will take your breath away, will reveal why these cities continue to captivate both locals and tourists alike. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button to unravel the inspiring tales and modern lifestyles of BGC.